we're going to want a southbound departure, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Signature ground, Warner November 2107 Echo is at the signature ramp with the weather ready to taxi for southbound departure.
Southbound signature ground at signature with the southbound departure, say call sign again.
Warner 2107 Echo, that was the call sign.
For your 2107 Echo, runway 36, taxi to Alpha, cross runway 4.
36, cross runway 407 Echo. Let's check our brakes. Brakes work. Wind is coming out of the north. 36, Alpha, cross runway 4.
Mike Taylor, change to my frequency 127.9, if you're not already there.
Autopilot is not working anymore. Oh my god. We're going to hand fly because our autopilot would like to do whatever the heck it wants. So, you know, for the sake of going to where I want to go, the autopilot really screwed this up. Thanks. Okay, well, might as well do the cruise checklist. We got the power setting correct, mixture is correct, fuel, yes, area is cleared, radios we're monitoring, that's correct, the 2107 Echo requesting following to KPTS.
2107 Echo, stop 2142, I'll still get back to you in just a second.
Destination is Kilo Papa Tango Sierra. It's Atkinson Municipal.
You are radar contact with the car service from about 1 mile southeast of Florida VOI, show you 5,200, is that correct?
That's correct. Number correct, 5,500. 10 go.
5,400, 3017 more than an hour.
Affirmative, 1007 go. Oh, I'm on the wrong. Oh, son of a bitch. I'm over here trying to get Allen County like an idiot. That was my original destination. Well, now I am following less. That was a dumb Alright, well, we are near KPTS. Not really. Is he 19? No, we're looking for 2000. 2000? Pattern. And if we're overflying, yeah, it was 11877. And if we are overflying, and I mean, might as well do the whole thing, right? 1, 2, 3. 230.
Traffic still has 276 between us, turning, field, and then our left down runway 3, takeoff.
Now we're up here. Way up here, just me and my sky chair. Doing 100 knots true. And booking it across the ground. Wish we had the GPS, because I don't want to do that math. But, I don't know, we're probably doing like 120. So we are racing. How are we doing on those fuel tanks? Left tank, yep, appropriately drained. I mean, not drained. Yeah, that'd be terrifying. Right tank is doing okay. We got some fuel for us in there. A little bit of turby turbs. Oh, come on, why are we climbing? I guess what it's trying to say is that it wants more speed. I mean, we're burning a bit of gas here. But might as well.
Just have detail 17, if Michael Summer on full east at 3000, and the other top midfield there, left down on runway 3,
1, 2, 3. That's what it says. It says that its frequency is 1230. Pattern altitude is 2000, so we want to overfly at 2500. Overfly. KPTS. Okay. And then for our weather is 1187. Yeah, 1877, really. I'll do a turboturb. I think what's our VA? It's gonna be 111, right? Oh, there it is. VA is 88, 111. So let's just stay in that sweet spot. Okay, anyway. So we got the weather, which now means we're looking at either, so that, whoa, what is that? CTAF is 123 0, which we are on. I don't know, not much in the way of taxiways. So we'll probably want to stop real short, so maybe we'll do a short field landing. Just to stop short of that taxiway. And then we'll turn around and take off again on runway 4 for New Century. And that's going to be Kansas Center 128.6. It's about time to make that radio call. Start our descent. 12 nautical miles. Should be directly in front of us, maybe to the right of the nose. Zero 10. Okay.
Let's bog, that's California, Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 17220.
Okay, so runway 4, it's going to be a crosswind of 6, runway 35, crosswind of 5, 4, Let's do 35. Runway 35. And do it left. Okay. The airport. Atkinson. Traffic. To Pittsburgh. Atkinson Municipal Traffic, Warrior, November 2107 Echo is about 7 nautical miles to the northwest, inbound to land, runway 35, Atkinson traffic. Left traffic on all. Atkinson traffic, Warrior 2107 Echoes, 5 nautical miles to the northwest. We'll be entering a left downwind for runway 35, Atkinson traffic. Pattern altitude is 2,000, so I think I'm doing good on descending. Okay, let's scan for traffic. Not seeing anybody coming at me. Not seeing, there's somebody 8 nautical miles out that way, but they're far. Nobody really coming at me, so I think that road right there is pretty good. We're probably wanting a little, yeah, I think I'm looking at 35 right there. Oh, thank God, because that other one is a grass. Oh, no, it's not grass. Okay, so fuel pump is on. We've already switched tanks. Copy ya. Atkinson traffic, Warrior 07 Echo is entering the left downwind for 35. Atkinson traffic. Okay, we have entered pattern. Atkinson traffic, Warrior 07 Echoes, left midfield 35. 07 Echoes, a beam, the numbers, left 35, Atkinson traffic. That started to sound really, first notch. Trim forward a little bit because I'm slowing down. I want to be at 80 on that first notch. I got about 45 degrees. Atkinson traffic, Warrior 07 Echoes, turning left base 35, Atkinson traffic. Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. notch, probably more forward trim. Keep that, I don't want to slow down to 70 yet, not just yet. Packets in traffic, Warrior 07 Echoes, turning final, 35, packets in traffic. Forward trim. A little high, I guess. Shit, it's a different frequency for the light. Might be. Packets in traffic, Warrior 07 Echoes, on short final, 35, it's going to be a full stop. That was not a great landing. In traffic, 7 Echoes down, crossing runway. It's really going to hold short of 4 and then going to cross. Echoes clear of 35, gets from traffic. Pittsburgh traffic stalling 1065, uniform departing 35, Pittsburgh. Oh, here's what happened. I was planning on runway 4. And then when I actually landed, or after I got the winds, I switched to 3.5 and I was confused by seeing all the parking on my left. And so I thought, oh, well, maybe I did something wrong, which, I mean, technically I did not, but also... Well, we can do our pre-departure stuff over here, and just see. Yeah. Alright, well, this is fun. We got quite a bit going on here. I don't think I'm going to record the flight back to New Century. It's just, you know, this thing's dying, and I'm sure I've got too much footage, or maybe I don't have enough because I screwed it up last time too, so I need to figure out how to lock this screen. Actually, the battery's dying, so okay, that's it for now.